Hello, this is the Tech Girl 007 in here. Today you will learn how to tackle the issue for using stickers on Goodnote. We've got an issue here. Here is my listings for digital stickers for teachers. Basically, some people, when they purchase stickers from Etsy, it doesn't always come as transparent, even though they have been set originally to be transparent. I will show you a way around stickers that will allow you to upload it as a transparent sticker as opposed to having like a white background. And that's for Goodnotes. Right, so what usually happens is you purchase the stickers and it comes as a zip file for you guys to unzip it and then transfer it over to your iPad however you want. I usually send it to my email and then have the same email logged in onto my iPad, then extract it from there. Now here's what you're missing. First of all, if you're going to be saving this as a sticker and you want it to be transparent, usually people make a mistake of saving it as an image, which is not the right way to do it. Instead, you should really save it to files. As you can see, it's got a white background and that's what we don't want. There's no way you can remove that now, of course. But then since the sticker that you have purchased is already a transparent sticker, what you need to do, go back to the same sticker and save it to files instead of images. So that's the work around it. Right, so I hope you like this tutorial. I have tons of shorts on Goodnotes, quick tips, so do check them out. And if you are a teacher and would like to purchase these teacher stickers, then go ahead. Link will be on the description box below. And I shall see you on another video. Take care guys. Bye.